How to insert PDF file in Word. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the perfect way. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Word documents. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Word. So let me show you. First, what we need to do, we need to go in insert option. Here under the insert option we need to go in that option, object. Okay, just come to the object here, and at B side you can see the down arrow. Just click on it and go to the objects again, and here you can see the two options. Okay, if you want to simply insert the PDF file as a image, then you can use it, or if you want to only insert the icon, and the people can click on that icon and the PDF file will open in new tab. Okay, so first I will show you the first option. Just click on this create new Adobe Acrobat Document, select it and just click on OK. Now find that file. Okay, so select the PDF file, just open it and it will be insert. Okay, so now just click on it. Okay, so you can also change the size. You have to just click on this side dot and drag it. Okay, so it just the size will be changed. Okay, and if you want to insert only icon, go to the object here, go to the create file, just browse that file and insert it, link the file, display icon. You need to just link to file, display icon. Okay, so this icon has been inserted here. Now if someone click on it, the file will be open in new tab. Okay, here you can see file has been opened. And if you want to insert only text from PDF file, you can use this option, which is text from file. Just the first you need to keep the cursor where you want to insert this text. Go to the object text from file, just go to the PDF file, select that PDF file and go to the insert, and the pop-up will be come up. You need to just click on OK. Then you can see all the text from that PDF file has been inserted here. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.